In the future, everyone will be world famous for 15 minutes. Andy Warhol. One sentence that turned our existence into a global spectacle. The countdown has already started. The silver factory vibrates with industrial grit. Andy Warhol, cold and detached in his black turtleneck, aims a 16mm Bolex at the chaos. Behind him, a silk-screened Campbell's can mocks traditional art. This is a factory of fame. Critics are stunned. The public is baffled. They see silver foil walls and erratic dancing. Warhol sees the end of privacy. His ghostly, synthetic blonde toupee glows under grime-streaked windows. It's a sensory overload that shocks the establishment. The 15-minute clock starts now.
1968, Stockholm. Andy Warhol signs a prophecy. Dressed in a navy pinstripe blazer, he points to the sentence that changed everything. In the future, everyone will be world famous for 15 minutes. Under a single warm lamp, surrounded by telephone wires and maraschino cherries, he releases a global virus. This isn't just an exhibition catalogue, it's a blueprint for the digital age. The quote is already jumping from these pages to international headlines and TV broadcasts. Warhol smirks because he knows the truth. The countdown for the world's attention has officially started.
Warhol isn't an artist, he's a foreman. 1968, New York. His hands are stained neon pink, pulling a squeegee across the screen with mechanical precision. No artistic passion, just production. Behind him, the factory workers hold identical Marilyns, freshly printed and soulless. This is art as a commodity. The backlash is immediate. Critics call it a scam, a desecration of the craft. Steam rises, paint splatters the floor, and the assembly line of fame churns. The prophetic 15 minutes starts here, on a drying rack.
Warhol stands behind the velvet rope, a tuxedo-clad prophet in a blank mask. Dark sunglasses shield his eyes from the strobe light frenzy of 1968 New York. He aims a Polaroid big shot, freezing a model's desperate bid for attention. Paparazzi crush forward, their flashes creating whiteout spots of instant, fleeting glory. This is the factory of 15 minutes, where silk and sequins meet cold chrome. Warhol saw the future through a viewfinder, and decades later, the world realized he didn't just predict the feed, he built the frame.